My name is Leslie Pastrano. I'm completing Module 3, showing supply and demand. The product I've chosen is cases of Coke. I've created a table here that'll show you the prices from $1 to $6 and the demand and supply that goes along with it. So at $1, demand is at 12 cases of Coke versus at $6, maybe only 2 cases of Coke. For supply, at $1, the supply is 0, and at $6, supply is at 20. I plotted all of the information from the table here to show an equilibrium point of $3. Now, in looking at possible scenarios that may affect this particular graph, I looked at several different ones. To increase the supply, I looked at the possibility of price of sugar decreasing, since that's an input that may affect and increase our supply. Secondly, I looked at the new assembly line technology that might increase our production of the cans of Coke, that might help increase the supply. And then thirdly, looking at more distribution plants for the company that can increase the supply all over the country. For decreases in demand, I looked at a possible recession that might lead to lower incomes for individual consumers. Second, if Pepsi, since they are a competitor of Coke, decrease their price, they may take some of those consumers away from Coke. And then third, research that might show the increase of diabetes due to soda consumption may also decrease the demand for Coke. Using that information, I went ahead and looked at the changes that might occur. Now in the black, I show the original graph along with the first equilibrium point at $3. For the blue here, this shows the change in the supply line. So instead of being at $1 at 0 supply, I'm now at 4 cases for supply. At $6, I'm now at 24. Now for demand, I showed the decrease in demand. So at $6 now, the quantity is now 0, versus at $1, the quantity is at 10, versus before when it was at 12. I show a new equilibrium point here. Now it is at the $2 mark instead.